Infinix Smart 8 Pro launched with 50MP camera and 5000 mAh battery. Infinix has discreetly launched the Smart 8 Pro, the newest addition to its flagship Smart 8 series. This smartphone features a 50MP rear camera and boasts a 6.6-inch IPS LCD with a 90Hz refresh rate and 500 nits peak brightness. Powered by MediaTek Helio G36 SoC, it comes with up to 8GB of RAM and runs on Android 13 Go edition. The device houses a 5000 mAh battery with 10-volt charging support. While the pricing is yet to be disclosed, it will be available in 4GB or 8GB RAM options with 64GB or 128GB of internal storage. Offered in Galaxy White, Rainbow Blue, Shiny Gold, and Timber Black colors, the Infinix Smart 8 Pro operates on Android 13 Go edition and features a 6.66-inch HD+ IPS LCD screen with a 90Hz refresh rate and 500 nits peak brightness. It's powered by MediaTek Helio G36 chipset, coupled with up to 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM. This smartphone incorporates a 50MP rear camera with an f1.85 aperture and an AI lens with an f2.0 aperture. For selfies, it includes an 8MP front camera. Storage options range from up to 128GB, expandable up to 2TB via micro SD. Connectivity features include 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5, a USB Type-C port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The device also houses sensors such as a gyroscope, e-compass, accelerometer, ambient light sensor, and proximity sensor. Equipped with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, the phone packs a 5000 mAh battery with 10-volt wired charging support, measuring 163.60 by 75.60 by 8.5mm and weighing 189 grams. The Infinix Smart 8 Pro is expected to reveal its pricing and availability details soon.